I'm going to show you how to run Avatarify Python without typing any code. Double click run Windows.bat and you have your Avatarify Python working perfectly. No codes. Basically, if you come to this run Windows.bat and click on it, it's not going to load up. It's not going to load up. And if you try to run it with the command prompt by typing cmd, then ask the command prompt to show you Conda, it's going to pop up Conda not recognized, even if you have Conda installed on your laptop. So the usual way you open the Avatarify Python is go to the Conda prompt and navigate to the place where you have your Avatarify Python, and then do the cd Avatarify Python and then run underscore Windows.bat. Those are long processes, okay? So in this video, the next step, I'm going to show you how to simply do a click and load Avatarify, no code needed, and you can launch the Conda prompt from any command prompt in your system. Okay, let's get started. To do this, you have to make sure that your Miniconda Python is installed. Of course, you need Miniconda Python to work with Avatarify. Now, let's navigate to the directory where our Miniconda Python is installed, which of course will be in your local disk, users, and your username. You'll find Miniconda in this directory, okay? Open the Miniconda, then open this first folder here, this Conda bin. Open it. Now come to this address bar here, click on it, and hold Ctrl+C to copy it, okay? Now we're going to, what we want to do is we're going to add the Miniconda paths to the environment variable, okay? So you press window and type system variable, just system variable. Okay, this one here, this one, and click on it. It will open. Now click on this environment variable here. Come down to this system variables section and find path. This is it, path. Edit. Now you're going to add a new path. Okay, you click on new from here, new, and then picks the Conda bin directory, the path that you just copied, and click on OK. 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 Now let's head back to our directory where we have our Avatarify Python installed. Come here to Avatarify. Now, if we click on this run Windows.bat, it's going to pop up. Okay, so let's find out. You can see it's loading the predictor now. Voila. So Miniconda Python is loaded. You don't need to type in any code to do this. Once you've added the Miniconda paths to the environment variables, you don't need to open Miniconda Python to do all that anymore. Okay, let's say for instance you want to install the Miniconda Python. Let me close this guy first. You want to install Avatarify Python, sorry. If you come to this address bar here and type cmd like this, and ask the system to show you Conda, like type Conda, it's going to pop up the Conda info, which means you can install the Avatarify without opening the Miniconda Python. So this is the simplest way to run Avatarify Python without typing any code. Just head over to your Avatarify Python folder and double click this run Windows.bat. As long as you've added the Avatarify, the Miniconda Python Conda bin directory to the system variables, you don't need to use the Miniconda Python again to run Avatarify. Thank you. No, thank me.